Today we're back at Sisters Homestead.
Okay, so you're just gonna get a little bit of that vinegar and put it on that stone. What is that stone? Is it a treasure stone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Drip some in there. You can drip some more. What is happening?
It's exploding!
Do some more.
Wow!
All right, use your tweezers and you can kind of explore your stone a little bit. Do you want to kind of crunch it up?
I think there's money.
What?
See a little bit of money in there.
What?
See a little bit of money.
If you need more vinegar. What? No, there's not money in there. It's a real treasure stone. What? No. You found money?
Yeah.
How did that get in there?
Maybe because of all that water.
Maybe because of what?
The water. Can I grab it?
With your tweezers, yeah. Why don't you put some more vinegar in it? You think the vinegar made it get in there?
Yeah.
Why don't you put some more vinegar in it?
Where can I put this?
You can leave it in there. Is that fun?
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
Get some of that on my finger. It's exploding.
It's stuck.
If you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe to Sisters Homestead. Bye. Wait, are you still filming? Are you still filming?